Hello kings, queens, and royals in between. My name is Trixie, and this is my channel. In today's video, I will be trying the... Oh, I didn't even open it yet. The pink blush from the Trixie Cosmetics. I didn't open it yet, because I just got it. Let's open it right now. Unboxing! The back side has my address on it, so you're not seeing that part. No, no, no. Also, look at this fun little packaging. It has a T on the front, which stands for the Joe Morrison, which is me. And they knew that, because I'm famous. Hi, fame. I always have scissors on hand. That's not supposed to be on there. Hi, glitter. Let's see here today. I got the Juno palette, the Junebug lipstick, and the pink blush. What is that called? Why do I keep forgetting what it's called? It's like girls have fun. Blush palette. I know the orange one is Mod About You, and the purple one is Back to the Fuchsia, and the brownish one is Girl Talk, or something like that. Mean Girls, Clueless Girl, something. It's something or other. Oh. Hi, Photoshop. Look at the perfect lips in Photoshop. That looks so good. Does her eyeliner look symmetrical? That's not real. That hair looks really good. Look how golden. Look how golden and tan. Oh, thanks for your purchase, BB. That's not my name. I'm the Joe Morris. I'm sure you'll see that when it comes to cosmetics, I'm no dumb blonde. Well, these products are the real deal. Don't let the adorable packaging and wallet-friendly prices fool you. Wallet-friendly. That is debatable. So sorry. $48 eyeshadow palettes? You're a liar. You're a liar. I'm still gonna buy it. But you're a liar. Trixie Cosmetics is cruelty-free. And we donate our sales to the Bee Conservancy, a nonprofit organization dedicated to protecting bees, safeguarding the environment, and securing food justice through education, research, habitat creation, and advocacy. That's great. Happy for you in your journey. It's like an email. Your Trixie Cosmetics order to me, and they put BB. They could have put my name, you know, make it a little more personal. I could have framed it. But other than that, that was nice. Thanks, Trixie. I'm going to keep this. I'm going to fan myself with it. Just decided. I'm not going to do the unveiling of the Trixie and Juno palette yet, because I have a wig coming in the mail, a blonde wig that I'm going to wear for funsies. And, you know, the bubble pop didn't pop in a fun way. There we go. I'm not even going to pull the bubble wrap off of it until I'm ready. I'm not even going to look at it. I'm not even going to open it and look at it. And I'm probably not going to use the Juno, the Junebug lipstick either yet. I'm going to put that on top of the Juno palette and wait for that wig to come in. Thanks. And I'm also not going to unwrap this until the video that I use it in, which is going to be the next video. Hi. Hi, people. And I'm going to put that with the Juno one as well. It's time. Summer of Love. I wish I could say that scratched an itch in my brain and jogged my memory, but it didn't. Did not remember what it was. Why is it pink? Is it supposed to be pink? It's a little bit pink. This one isn't. Hope that doesn't mean that one of the blushes shattered. I'm gonna turn that volume down in post, so. Ooh. 8500-0581-0056. For those of you that were wondering. Peak color straight from the heart. Oh, it says that. It also says, oh, thanks, Trixie, for your free PR. I definitely didn't pay for this myself with my own money. They're so gorgeous. Look at them. And it's shiny. Oh, you can see my ring light. This is my first time buying Trixie products, so that's fun. Wow. Oh, it's sliding. Do not ruin this for me. It's supposed to be aesthetically pleasing Trixie. This is the blush palette. I like it. Yeah, it's nice. I didn't expect this to be so coral, I'd say. This is gorgeous. I love this shade of pink. That's nice. And I'm gonna use this highlighter as a wing. And I didn't even tell you. Oh, sorry, that was too much. I'm going to use the blushes, use the highlighter, and I'm also gonna put them on my mouth and on my eyes. If it's not safe to do so, comment below, Trixie, please. I'll only listen to Trixie. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun little video where I like try it in a bunch of different ways for fun. So I'm gonna do my base off camera and I'll be right back. Bye. Hi. Oh, did I do that in the previous clip? I don't know. I did most of my base. I did the foundation, the concealer, the powder, and the contouring. I usually do like 9 highlighters before I contour. But that's where this comes in. I'm reviewing that. This isn't really a review. This is more like a having fun moment because I'm sure that this is great based on, I don't know. Let's just do it. This is glitter, a glitter brush from Walmart. I didn't get the Trixie brushes yet, and that is a threat. Ooh, Inception. That's me talking to you. It's blurry because I still have the plastic. I got it. Oh. It did hit me in the eye a little bit. Trixie, you will be hearing from my lawyer. My lawyer being no one, I don't have a lawyer. I usually highlight with about maybe 9 highlighters, not joking. 10 highlighters. 1, 2, 6. There's 4 different shades in here and 4 different shades in here. So, wait. Yeah, that's 10. Quick math, 1 in STEM. This might be the one highlighter that I need in my life. This might be the highlighter that I put by itself on me. And if it's not, that's completely fine because I am a highlighter junkie. As you can see, my 5 previous videos, only one way to find out. I would use this one, this angled brush right here, which I usually use for highlighters, but it's dirty. I did use it for blush in the previous video, so I'm gonna use this one. I'm just gonna, and how do we feel? No. Let me try this one. I'm gonna dig in there because that's what I usually do with everything. See, that's better. It's a little bit duochrome. It's like, in real life, it's like pink when I'm looking at myself. It's like white, but pink duochrome. That's what it looks like to my naked eyes right now. I don't know if it's not really showing that on camera. Yeah, that's what it is. See, that's a little better. I've got a little bit of a glow. I might need to layer it. I need to be absolutely glazed, a glazed donut, a plate of bacon grease. I've only said that thrice. Right now, and in 2 other videos. Isn't that neat? Full circle. I am a little bit dry right now. This is not usually the step that I highlight in, so it's also possible that it's not performing the way it usually would because I'm so dry. Hi, dry. Hi, grease. Okay. It's got a subtle little glow, and maybe that's the point of it. I don't know why I'm like acting like this is the make or break of my career. I'm gonna spray my face a little bit with setting spray, and then while my face is still a little bit wet, I'm gonna go back over top with the same highlighter. After school special, I forgot to say what it was. After school special, I already ruined the tea a little bit. I'm running with the LGBT Hot Pocket cardboard. Breathing a little bit of hydration into my face at whatever cost. While that's still a little bit wet, ultimately, even if this isn't the most blinding highlighter of life, there you go. There's a little bit of the pink duochrome also here. I don't know why it's only showing up in select places, but probably because my face is wet. Hi. Whether it is or isn't the most blinding highlighter that's ever been made before, I'm still gonna layer it on with my 10 other ones. So it is what it is. But I'm not, in this video, I'm not gonna do the 10 other ones. Maybe just one of the other ones. No. This video is Trixie being the main character. Trixie's products being the main character. They're the main characters in my story. They're the main character. Now for blush, I'm gonna use the Summer of Love palette by Trixie Mattel. The feminine urge to bite. The feminine urge to bite thing. Their eyes turn white when it hits the light. Demon girls. Hi, demon. Hi, demon girl. They're so demony. Where's my... Still a little bit wet. Okay, should I do the light pink... Should I do the light pink blush for blush and then the dark pink for eyeshadow? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. This is girl on girl. Historians say that the girls were best friends. And I'm gonna use that for blush. Hello. I dug in there. There you go. Maybe it's just like not right for my skin tone, I'm guessing. Oh, it's showing up a little bit. There you go. It's very subtle. I'm scraping in there. I didn't expect that. I guess normal people want normal layers of blush on their face. Clean girl aesthetic. Clean pink girl aesthetic. Maybe it's also because this is the same brush that I used for the highlighter. I don't know. I'm not live, laugh, loving this palette so far, you guys. And I didn't expect that, to be honest. Come on, girl. Girl on, girl. Gorgeous, gorgeous girls love soup. Well, if you like natural, subtle looking blush, then this is for you. Unfortunately, I'm not one of those people. So I'm gonna try the dark one now. This is Side Chick. Already when I like gently glide it onto the brush, it looks more promising. Where'd it go? Is it going inside of the brush? Maybe? Also, it's kicking back a little bit. Ooh. That's not. Oh. Well, you guys, I didn't expect to not like this palette. I'm really layering it on, you guys. I want this on me, but it's not happening. That bums me out. I'm really trying to like make excuses and give the benefit of the doubt because I like Trixie. I'm a big fan. And I also know that her fans are a little bit feral, me included. I don't dox people though. I don't think the Trixie fans do that, but some other fans do. Anyway, hi. Should I just wash this brush real quick and come right back? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. It's clean and like 99% dry, but maybe it being still a little bit wet is a good thing. I don't know. Okay, that instantly looks better. But, okay. This is just a subtle palette, I guess. I didn't expect that. I really didn't. I thought, I mean, obviously, since Trixie's a drag queen, that it was gonna be like boom, 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 pigment, how I imagine Kimchi's palette, I mean, makeup is. But, if you like subtle blush, this palette is for you. And also, maybe, another excuse time. I mean, it's more pigmented with this brush. Slightly, just slightly. Maybe I got a bad batch as well. That's maybe. Maybe this is just like a bad batch of all three of them. I don't know. It looks good now. Layering on. Layering. Hi. If you like soft blush, that you don't have to work with much to get a gentle blush, then this could be for you. Not closing. Now I'm gonna use the After School Special again with this brush. There's a little bit more pigment. How about with my finger though? My finger. I have like a very specific standard for highlighter that I enjoy, and this is just not it, unfortunately. Man, that bums me out. I really wanted to like this. I mean, I like it. No, I don't. I like the blush now that I layered 4 or 5 layers of it on. But I don't love the highlighter. Unfortunately. I don't even know if I want to post this video because I'm not happy. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup off camera and I'll be right back. I'm not gonna put this on my mouth or as eyeshadow because I'm just bummed out. So I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so final thoughts. It's just not for me. There could be like an endless amount of factors to why I didn't enjoy it. Part of it could be my skin. I could have been like too dry today or something. My eyes were watering, which could be putting me in a bad mood, which could be the reason why I don't like the palette. Any of those things. And it also could just be not a palette that I enjoy. Unfortunately, I like I said, I really enjoy Trixie's content, Trixie's drag in general, and like I had high hopes for this, but it just didn't deliver for me, unfortunately. So, with that being said, I would probably use this again, probably like layer these on. I don't think I would use the highlighter again because like I said, it's not something I enjoy by itself. And the pink duochrome thing, I don't know if that would look good with my other ones. If you like this highlighter on my nose, it's a different one. It's the Estate one, High Estate. And, you know, it's just not worth $16 for me. But if you like a soft blush and a really soft highlight and you have $16 to spare, it could be for you. Wrong side. And also if you're a fan of Trixie, of course. And I'm not saying that this is a definite no for every single one of her products from now on. I'm never going to try anything ever again. Trixie will never financially recover and she is a flop and she's canceled. I'm not saying that. I am saying that this specifically is not for me. But I will be trying the Back to the Future palette. And the Juno Birch eyeshadow palette and Junebug lipstick because I haven't tried any of that yet. And probably other products in the future. Now, if every single one of those things I do not enjoy, then I'll probably not buy anything of hers ever again. But, it is what it is. I'll still watch her content. I'm still a big fan of hers, you know. Just trying to cover ground. Just trying not to get attacked by Trixie fans. And you know, I'm trying to be a really fair YouTuber, you know what I mean? So yeah, this was my review of the Summer of Love palette by Trixie Cosmetics. Not really for me, not my favorite thing in the world, but the packaging is really cute and I really like the hearts. So hope this helps. And it has a good mirror too. You can use it for a mirror. Thank you for watching. If you don't enjoy my review, sorry. And if you do enjoy my review, thank you. Bye. 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 Bye.